Dear students, today I am going to start with a new chapter, that is measurements. Measurements. A unit of measurement is a fixed measure of something like length, mass or capacity. When we measure something like a length, we compare it with its unit and write how many times the unit it is. For example, the length of the eraser in the drawing is 3 cm. That means the length is 3 times a centimeter. For example, length equals to 3 centimeter. Here 3 is the number and centimeter is the unit. That means it is 3 times a centimeter. Next, mass of rice equals to 5 kg. Here 5 is the number and kg is the unit. So it weighs 5 times a kg. Next, capacity of a cup equals to 200 milliliter. Here 200 is the number and milliliter is the unit. So the volume it can hold is 200 times a milliliter. Next topic is metric system. The unit of length, mass and capacity that we have been talking about belong to a system of unit called the metric system. In this system, each type of measurement has a main or a basic unit. The meter M is the basic unit for length. The gram G is the basic unit for mass. The liter L is the basic unit for capacity or volume of liquid. Short forms: M stands for milli, C for centi, D for deci, DA for deca, H for hecto, K for kilo. So we have, for measuring length, we have kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. For measuring mass, we have kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. And for measuring capacity, we have kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Have a look at this strip. It is kilo, hecto, deca, meter, gram, liter, deci, centi, milli. Between every unit there is a jump of 10. While converting from a larger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply. And while converting from a smaller unit to a larger unit, we divide. Therefore, you can easily remember the sequence of units and how they are related. For example, here in this we have to convert meter into millimeter. As we know, 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. For converting it into centimeter, we have to multiply it by 10, that is 100 centimeter. And again, if we have to convert it into millimeter, we have to multiply it by 10, that is 1000 millimeter. Next example, here we have to convert meter into kilometer. As we already know that from converting smaller unit to a larger unit, we always divide. Therefore, 1 meter equals to 1 upon 10 decameter. For converting decameter into hectometer, we have to divide it by 10, that is 1 upon 100 hectometer. And for converting hectometer to kilometer, we again have to divide it by 10, that is 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Therefore, 1 meter equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Example, write 2 decimeter as millimeter. We know that 1 decimeter equals to 100 millimeter. Therefore, 2 decimeter equals to 2 into 100, that gives 200 millimeter. Next example, write 5000 decagram as kilogram. As we know that 1 decagram equals to 1 upon 100 kilogram. Therefore, 5000 decagram equals to 5000 divided by 100 kilogram, which gives the answer 50 kilogram. Next, decimal in units. The smaller units of the metric system can be written as decimal fraction of the larger units. In this, we have 3 columns, that is unit, fraction and decimal fraction. Here we have to convert unit into fraction and then to decimal fraction. First, milliunit is equal to 1 upon 10 centi-unit, which can be written as 0.1 centi-unit. Second, centi-unit, which is equal to 1 upon 100 unit and can be written as 0.01 unit. Third, milli-unit, that is equals to 1 upon 1000 unit, which can be written as 0.001 unit. Next, unit, equal to 1 upon 1000 kilo unit, which can be written as 0.001 kilo unit. Next, decimals in conversion. While converting measurements from unit to another, we multiply or divide by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Using decimals make this operation much simpler. For example, convert 15 millimeter into centimeter. 1 millimeter equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Therefore, 15 millimeter equals to 15 divided by 10 centimeter. As we can see that there is one zero in the denominator, so we will place decimal one digit before, that is 1.5 centimeter. Next example, convert 37.5 centimeter into millimeter. As we know, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Therefore, 37.5 centimeter gives 37.5 into 10 millimeter. That is 375.0 millimeter, which can also be written as 375 milliliter. Children, please go through this session once again. Thank you.